Alright guys, time to talk about stacks on the channel once again. It's been a while, it's been over a month. I didn't even know that until I just searched for stacks on my channel. And this is one of the favorites of many people on this channel. So let's get into it guys. I mean, the last time I looked at stacks, I did draw this box. I don't know if it was on the video. I don't think it was. I think it was basically a few days ago or maybe last week when I was here at this apartment on this PC. I was probably considering a video with it, but I just didn't do it. So anyways, we are making higher lows here, as you can see. And it looks like we got our next higher low, which is a bit higher than this one. Now, basically, we're starting to take out this whole trading range pretty much where we've been for most of the time. So that is nice to see. Now, I would like to see a little bit more of a bounce here. I also want to point out, guys, that basically this looks like it's trying to paint a cup and handle. Now, this is only a cup and handle, from basically what, since April? And so that's how many months, guys? That's what, like 9 months or so, 8 months. But this is probably the price action that we're going to see. Something like this. It's going to come up to the neckline basically, and you're going to see something like this. It's going to bounce around a little while and then boom, take off. So if it can break this neckline here, let me just draw, it's not really a trend line, but I'm just going to use a trend line right here. This is what I want to see. I want to see it break this neckline, and basically the target of that would be from here down to the bottom. Let's just say it's right there. Good enough for me. Now let's put this over here and let's see what the target will be, guys. So the magical target would be about $6, almost flat, guys. So that's actually nice to see. I don't think, Stacks has ever been up here. Let's take a quick look at Stacks here. Now, there is only 1.8 billion of this coin. Most of that is actually circulating. Now let's take a quick look down here. Yeah, all-time high. Yeah, I should have remembered this, guys. It was like, what, in April at $3.86. So it's down right now about 44% from its high. But yeah, I think Stacks, guys, really, this can probably go to $20 or $25. I really believe that, guys. Taking a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dumping today. It's dumped, now it's dumped a few hundred more since my last video on Cadena, guys. But it's about 3,500 down. And basically, it filled the gap today, the CME gap. I think it was about $20 from filling it, according to Binance. So on other exchanges, maybe it's filled it completely, but I think within $20, that's probably good enough for me. But yeah, we are seeing a dump today. However, the altcoins are not really suffering that much. Now, total market cap is suffering, as you can see. It's 3.21 trillion. But let's take a look at the market cap excluding Bitcoin, guys. So yesterday kind of had a little doji candle, but it did retest the swing high over here, guys, from, what is it, April, I believe? Yeah, March. Okay, in March. So see that retest? And today it is kind of getting a little bit of a doji candle as well. However, the target of this breakout from this channel that, you see this, let me put this on a weekly time frame. You might see it real quick. You see this channel, guys. The breakout of that is actually all the way up here at about 1.44 trillion. So we haven't reached that yet completely. That's just a technical target, guys. Now, the all-time high would be, what, 1.71 trillion for total market cap excluding Bitcoin. Now, taking a quick look at the dominance, guys, yesterday you can see we did get a green candle on dominance, but on Saturday it closed under this trend line. Now, this trend line extends all the way back to like the middle of July, guys. So looks like it's broken the trend. Really nice to see. Let me get rid of this. I don't think we really need that anymore. We just need to focus on this trend line, really. So yeah, Bitcoin may be dumping, but alts aren't dumping that much, guys, and that's why the dominance is going down. Taking a quick look at the altcoin season index, guys, you can see it here. It says it's not altcoin season. However, we are at 51. So, like I said, once we got above 50, I think we're personally going to go up to, altcoin season up here at 75 and more really quickly. So that's just my expectation. I think we are pumping really hard right now on altcoins. And yeah, guys, it might not be altcoin season, but we're closer now to altcoin season than Bitcoin season. So keep that in mind. Fear and Greed, 82. Yesterday was 80. Yeah, I mean, I guess so. We did kind of have a good little push yesterday, I think at the close, really, because, most of the day yesterday was down. I think it was only right at the end where we kind of pushed up. So, yeah, I mean, it could be. Now, I want to show you the Pi cycle indicator, guys. Basically, this has predicted the end of Bitcoin fairly accurately within like a day or two in the past cycles. So, yeah, this just shows you from October to now, but it's not even close to crossing, guys. Actually, it was closer in July to crossing than it is now. So I don't think we have to worry that this is the end of the run for Bitcoin. I do not believe we're anywhere close to this, guys. I still think, personally, we have 9 to 12 months. Now, taking a look at crypto bubbles, guys, you can see that most things are still in the green, even with Bitcoin dumping. But yeah, I mean, there are things down which had good, days, such as Arweave over the weekend. It had a nice little solid run. Gate also had a nice solid run over the weekend. Sol at all-time highs basically last week. So yeah, it's only natural that some of these, pull back. I think Say also had a nice, run the last couple days. So still looking good. Pretty much everything is on track, guys. I believe everything is fine with all the altcoins here that you see. Just some things need to cool down. Now, if you want to stake your stacks, guys, go to Coinindo, type in stacks, and you will see a list of places to stake your stacks. I forget where I have mine. I think I have in Binance and in Bitrue, actually. I have it split. But yeah, I think most of it is in Bitrue. So I'm not getting that much. Now, there are better places, but keep in mind, guys, most places require some, minimum number of days, like 90 days, 60 days. A little bit surprised to see flexible on KuCoin. So yeah, be careful, check that out. I'm not 100% sure, if that's just some action that they're having right now to pull people in. That often does happen. Anyways, guys, if you like this video about stacks, give it a like and activate the bell, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.